All right, now we are going to graph a tangent function. I see that there is a b value and a k value, so that tells me that my asymptotes are going to change and the graph is going to be shifted down by 1. So the first thing I want to do is figure out asymptotes. So I'm going to do bx equals negative pi over 2 and bx equals positive pi over 2. Now my bx is actually 2, so I'm going to rewrite this. 2x equals negative pi over 2 and 2x equals positive pi over 2. To solve this, I want to multiply by the reciprocal of 1/2 on both sides. I'm sorry, the reciprocal of 2 on both sides, which is 1/2. This cancels, so I have x equals, and then if I multiply straight across, I would have negative pi over 4. So that means that this one would be positive pi over 4. They're always going to be the same number, one positive, one negative. So here's my negative pi over 4, and then my positive pi over 4. So I can go ahead and draw in my asymptotes, okay? And now we need to find those middle numbers. So remember, to find these middle numbers, we are dividing the asymptotes in half. But because this already has a denominator, it's easier to think about multiplying the denominator by 2. That's the same thing as dividing, as taking half of it. So the middles are going to become negative pi over 8 and positive pi over 8. Okay, now the only thing that's left is this translation. Since we're shifting the whole thing down 1, what I'm going to do is put in this like fake midline. So it's not a midline because remember tangent doesn't have a midline, but I'm putting this in so we can kind of help guide ourselves. So normally you have your middle points, which is at 0, 0, and then you go up 1, so right 1, up 1, positive, positive, and then you go down 1 and left 1, which is negative, negative. So those are our 3 points. Now normally, let me connect the dots here. I just want to show you really quick. Normally, your 3 points are in the middle, and then you would go positive, positive, and negative, negative. So you would have these 3 points where the x's are, but you can see that the red points are all shifted down 1 from there.